Next, SI system of units. SI system of units is the modernized and improved form of previous system of units. It is accepted in almost all the countries. It is based on a certain set of fundamental units from which derived units are obtained by proper combination. Okay, or you remember what is the fundamental quantity and derived quantity? Yes. There are 7 fundamental units in the SI system of unit. How many units in a SI system? 7 fundamental units. Okay. Then these are the units used to measure the fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. Using the fundamental quantity, that is fundamental unit. Use the derived quantities, that is derived units. Okay. First one is length. Unit is meter, symbol small m. Mass kilogram, symbol is kg. Time second, small s. Temperature Kelvin, K, capital K. Electric current ampere, capital A. Luminous intensity candela, symbol is small c, d. Amount of substance mole, symbol is mol, mole. Okay, dear students, you have to write in symbol the normal alphabets. Okay, don't use the cursive in a symbol and unit. Or you understand, these mistake are doing the last classes, so rectify the mistake. Don't use cursive in symbol and unit. Okay, these are fundamental quantities, is very important. Okay, up to 10th standard you have to know this unit. Okay, what is the unit of mass? Yes, that is kilogram. What is the unit of luminous intensity? Candela. Okay, dears. With the help of these 7 fundamental units, the units for other derived quantities are obtained and the units are given below in tabulation 1.3. Already we studied the fundamental quantities is which cannot be expressed in physical quantity. The length means length. When any other quantities is instead of not instead. Length means measure in length. That word only we have to use. Then derived quantity means expressed from fundamental quantity. Are you understand? Now the formula. For example, the physical quantity, that is area, volume, density, velocity, momentum, acceleration, force, pressure, energy, surface tension. These are derived quantities. Okay, how to tell the derived quantities? We know the meaning of derived quantities from the fundamental quantities, that is derived quantities. Okay, so the area expression is length and breadth. The length is fundamental quantity. Are you understand? From the fundamental quantity, these are derived quantity. Fundamental irundhu நம்ம derived பண்றது தான் derived quantity. The length, mass, volume இது எல்லாமே என்னதுன்னா நமக்கு fundamental quantity அதிலிருந்து வர்றதுனால, so that is derived quantity. This also very important, this tabulation. So listen, area, length into breadth. The unit is meter square, m square. Volume, area into height, m cube. Okay, density, mass per volume, kilogram, meter power minus 3, meter power minus 3. Velocity, displacement by time, meter second minus 1, meter second power minus 1. Momentum, mass into velocity, kilogram, meter second minus 1. Acceleration, velocity by time, meter second power minus 2. Force, mass and acceleration, kilogram, meter second power minus 2 or Newton. Okay, the force, the unit is Newton. Pressure, force by area, Newton meter power minus 2 or PA, that is Pascal. Okay, energy, work, force into distance, Newton meter or joule, Newton meter or joule J. Surface tension, force by length, unit is Newton meter power minus 1. These are units. This is very very important physical quantity and the expression the unit. So dear students, thoroughly study the physical quantity and expression, unit, everything. Today very very less topic, so you study this topic. Okay, the fundamental units and the derived quantities, these are very important. Okay dears, then book back questions. Dears, today we had learned the measurement, physical quantity and their types, then SI units. Okay, what is measurement? Yes, measurement is defined as the determination of size or magnitude of a quantity, that is measurement. Then physical quantity, the quantity that can be measured, that is physical quantity. Okay, then physical quantity classified in how many types? Yes, two types. What they are? That is fundamental quantity and derived quantity. Write the example of fundamental quantity. Yes, length, mass, time, these are fundamental quantity. What is derived quantity? Quantities which can be expressed in term of fundamental quantity, that is derived quantity. Example of derived quantity: area, volume, density, these are derived quantity. Okay, next day we go to the shop buying 3-liter milk. Which one is numerical value, which one is unit? Yes, the 3 is a numerical value, liter is a unit. Are you understand? That is unit. Next, unit. In earlier times, how many units we follow? 3 units. What they are? Yes, CGS, FPS, MKS. These units follow in earlier times. Okay, then expansion of SI system. Yes, that is international system of unit. How many fundamental units in the SI system? Yes, 7 fundamental units. What they are? Yes, that is length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance. These are fundamental quantities. Okay dears, now mark the book back answer. Take page number 11. Okay, first choose the correct answer. First one answer is A, because the millimeter is small. The next is centimeter, meter, kilometer, that is the increasing order. So answer is A. Answer is A. Next, ruler, measuring tapes and meter scales to measure the which one? Length. Answer is length. Okay. Next, fill in the blank. Second Roman. Meter is the unit of dash. Meter is the unit of dash. Answer is length. Length. Answer is length. That's all. Then true or false? First one, SI unit of electric current is kilogram. This is true or false? False, because the SI unit of electric current is ampere. Okay, so false. That is false. The answer is ampere. This is a wrong answer. Okay, next, kilometer is the one of the SI unit of measurement. Kilometer is the SI unit of measurement. No, the meter is the SI unit of measurement. Now you understand, meter is the SI unit of measurement. So this one also false. It's also false. Okay, that's all. Next, match the following. Length. How to measure length? Yes, length is meter. That is A. Okay. Then mass, kilogram, B. Time, second, C. Temperature, Kelvin, D. Okay dears, mark the book back answers. I will send the photocopy, so don't worry. Next, answer very briefly. Define measurement. Define measurement, page number 1. Page number 1. It is defined as that like start. Here, this is first question. It is defined up to this one. Okay, 6th Roman, first question. It is defined as the determination of size or magnitude of a quantity, that is measurement. Okay. Next, define standard unit. I will give a notes for second question, so you have to write in our note this question alone. Okay, next, what is the full form of SI system? You know the full form of SI system, International System of Unit. You have to write in our book, okay, or note, your wish. Okay, no problem, write in your book only ma. No, don't write in note. Second question alone you have to write in note. What is the full form of SI system, International System of Unit? You have to write here in our book. You have to write here, International System of Units. Okay, then answer briefly. Write the need of standard unit. Write the need of standard unit. This also I will give a notes. Then second question and 6th Roman second question. You have to write in our note. I will send a photocopy. Okay. Okay, dears. Then get ready for Teachmeet app. I will ask the question, so get ready. Then get ready for test. Okay, I mentioned the Teachmeet app. That time you have to write the test. Okay, dears. If you have any doubt, ask me, dears. Okay, ma. Thank you.